survival world. One block survival world. One block survival world. And we're killing this cow. Bye. Hi guys, we're back on one block. Survival. One block. Survival. Sorry, I'm too happy. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I could sing. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet. And I put the doors on last time, and I finished a couple other things. But okay, today I'm going. I'm going now to maybe mess around with this. Maybe let's see. See how. Ow! 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 Fire! On fire! Ugh! So angry. Okay, anyway, back to mission 1. Whoa. Okay. Inventory organization time. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Why am I saying that? Anyway, we're back. And now I gotta figure out how to... Oh, here we go. Got another campfire. But... get rid of that. Okay. Boom. You know, I'm just gonna check them all in. Okay, yup, and yup. There we go. Get rid of that yucky meter. Alright, let's see. I hope this doesn't set on fire. If this sets on fire, I will be so angry. If it sets on fire. I really hope this doesn't set on fire. So bad. I hope this doesn't set on fire. Ah! Shuckshoodle. Shucker. Okay, anyway, back to the mission. It's this block. Right, a block that's above me. Ah, the smoke. It's rising out. Now, I have an idea. And the idea is that I make a wall. I want to make a... I hate saying this, but I make it's this and it's that. It's that, like that, and this. There we go. Now, I'm going to put this on top and kind of make it look like a chimney. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. It's kind of make it look like a chimney. But it ain't going to be a chimney. Now, if I can do this right, which I hope I do this right, let's do this right. I'm just going to add this little chimney on, and then we'll get back to today's episode. Boom. One more. There we go. Now, I got to get rid of that. Come here. Yay! Okay, it looks alright. We'll deal with it. But yeah, we got it done. Let's go. And since I'm just thinking, I think it just might look nice. Is that? Yeah. I don't think you guys are gonna like it. But I wasn't expecting guests on me today. Lied. Surprise attack! Yeah. Oh, crit. Okay. Oh, no. I gotta find something to light this up. But what? Oh, no. Eat the chicken. There. There we go. It's better. Nope. Come back a block. Right there. There we go. That's better. Anyways, today's episode is going to be just, well, we're going to get through this phase. No matter what, I'm going to get through this phase, and I'm going to win this phase of doom and destruction. And I don't even know what I'm saying, but I'm going to do it. Have to block a set, chuck it in there, chuck that in there. Oh, no. Oh, here we go. Wood. That's pretty much. Oh, I forgot that. Anyway, back to the one block. Hang on. I feel like I need a torch. I'm sorry, but I feel like I need a torch. Oop, I did not mean to grab this one. That was not supposed to be grabbed. It's supposed to be this. That's it. Chuck that back in there. Make a torch. Don't mean to do this with charcoal. I was trying to mess with this yesterday, but I mean, a couple days ago, I was trying to mess with it. I was finishing that yesterday. So, yeah. But anyways, we're going to do this. Let's keep going on our one block survival journey. Let's do this. Okay, I'm going to stop. But anyway, did you guys like yesterday's video that I did yesterday about that? I hope you did, because I'm just trying out new things. So, yeah. Let's keep mining this one block. Please let me get some excitement, because this is just boring. New face! Dun 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 dun! New face! Woo! The traditional jump off the edge. Woohoo! We did it! A new face has happened. Woohoo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New phase! Yay! I don't even know what the phase is, and I'm about to find out in a minute. As soon as I get rid of this stupid inventory. Aha! Stone. More stone. Is that a jungle leaf? Is it a jungle leaf? Wait, what? Wait, oh, we're in the jungle phase! Woohoo! Let's do it! Let's do this! Woohoo! Okay, I did not expect that. Okay, but anyway, oh, I got a jungle sapling, which is pretty cool. Alright, let's keep mining. Oh, more iron! Yay! Let's go! Go! I love it. Do. Oh, bamboo! Yeah, soon, if we get a pen, oh, I have an idea. Oh, your boy has an idea! And I might do that next episode, but I think I'm gonna do it this episode instead. Okay, grab all. Okay, dirt. Okay, is that all the dirt I have? Really? That's all the dirt I have? I'm gonna be really surprised. Okay, that's all I have then. Okay, I'm pretty surprised. But anyway, I'm gonna go out a ways from the one over here. I actually don't know where to put this. Okay, you know what? We're putting it over here. We're doing it over here. We're doing it. And I'm gonna connect it up to the other farm. The other one, if we get ourselves another friend. This ain't that big. It's not supposed to be that big, so, now, I'm gonna need some fences. Okay, right there. Do I not? Wait a minute. Oh, whoa. You know what? Come here. Oh, no. Come here. I'm using you. You know what? Just for this build, we're gonna have a jungle tree for this build. Boom. Ah! I need more bones. Oh wait, we have some more bones. Okay, let's go. We're making ourselves a jungle tree. There we go. It's not that big, but okay. And we're gonna be using this as our we're gonna use jungle wood as our fences. Yes, fences. We're gonna use them as our fences. So yeah, boom, boom, and I gotta make one of them. The rest of that. Okay. Okay, yo. It ain't gonna be that big, but it's gonna have lots of detail. Now. Oh, there they are. Found it. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. That's going out of here. Here we go. Rip this dirt. Chuck it down. There we go. Put that down. Here we go. It's gonna end right there. Right there. I'm gonna need more wood, I think. I need one more piece of wood. Wait. Actually, boom, there. Messed it up. But anyway, here we go. Get rid of that. Put that there. And I need to fix this and make one more of these. Then, I need one more. Okay. We get a panda this episode, I'm going to be doing it. I'm just going to have to do it. Like, there we go. Here, I need to do it. Yeah. And here, oh, come on. There. Woo. Okay. And in the corner is going to be a bamboo tree. Now, oh, there we go. Another jungle sapling. Let's go. Things. We're stuck in the block. Well, that was not good. But okay, let's do this. Let's go. Okay, that's all the wood. Okay, there's another jungle sapling. Plant it down and bone meal it up. Oh, wow. Okay. I guess I'm getting good luck here. Yow, I didn't drop a sapling. Drop a sapling. One of them, drop a sapling. Come on, please, just drop a sapling. Oh, come on. Drop just one. I only need one. Oh, no, come on. Boom, there we go, I got it. And boom. Okay, and I'm just going to get rid of these melons because they're just getting on my nerves. I feel like I should just cut them. I'm gonna. Okay, grab that, and grab this, and boom, 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 boom. And just, if we do get a panda in here, we're gonna have a panda in there. So, yeah. Come on, it would be nice to get a panda. That'd be so nice. If I got a panda in these next couple ones, I'm going to grab that piece of bamboo and use it. Okay, do. We're gonna get a panda, la la, we're gonna get a panda. We're gonna get a panda. Okay, but I forgot. I have a friend that's over here. Yeah, see him? And one of my subscribers said to name him Rex, so we're gonna call him Rex today. Yay! If I said that last episode and I forgot, I did not mean to. I honestly forgot. I'm sorry if I did. Oh, another shield. That's good. I'm looking for another shield. Oh, come on. Do. Chuck the iron in the blast furnace. I'm just gonna use that charcoal. Okay, and those can go in there. Thank you. Those can go in there. Okay, now I can break the chest. And I think I should pick up everything. Ow, I couldn't pick up everything. Shucks. I really stunk. But now it's this is you know, I'm just gonna use this as spare tools. You know, this can be the spare tools chest. I do not care, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Come on, this would be so, and I mean so nice to just get a panda this episode, and then you guys can name him. Which would be so nice if you would name him. And if we do get a panda this episode, please, leave a comment saying what we should call him. I lost my pickaxe. Anyways. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So, I think we should have a comment of the day. The comment of the day. Sorry, I didn't do that. But the comment of the day is jungle. Put jungle in the comments. Okay? Good idea? Good idea. Put jungle in the comments down below. Woohoo! And alrighty, let's do this. 1 block mining. Oh, now I got a piece of bamboo, so if I do get that panda, I'll be rejoicing over that panda friend. Let's go! Come on, little buddy. Let's go to your new home. Come on. I don't know what he is. I don't know what kind of panda he is, but we're going to find out. Maybe I wish he was a brown panda. That would be so nice. Good boy. Good boy. And as your treat, boom. Actually, no. I need that piece of bamboo. Thank you. I need that piece of bamboo just in case I get another panda. Sorry, little buddy, but I need to use it. Boom. Ah, that would have been nice, but shit. Yeah, but that's alright. Let's keep mine the 1 block. So you guys, put a comment down below for the panda. Yeah, let's comment down below. Like, remember the polar bears? Rest in peace, the polar bears. Well, yeah, I made an enclosure for him. And it doesn't look as nice, but I'm using blocks from the territory pretty much. But, anyway, since I'm thinking about it, oh no, this ain't good. Ah! You know what? I have an idea. Okay, I'm gonna fill my, okay, here we go. I think I can get in. Oh, go. Okay, I can get in. Rex, come with me. Please don't die on me, Rex. Please, Rex, do not die. I do not want you to die, so we're running. Run. Come on, Rex, get inside. Yes, we got him in. Let's go. I got him in. Woo! Whew. Okay, you can get snowballs from this. Okay, I'm gonna get, need 8 snowballs. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, no, the rain. I just thought about the rain. Oh, no. This is, okay, fuck. Okay. Grab the snowballs again. Okay, I'm just gonna have these on. And, okay. Okay, there we go, 16. Boom. Get rid of them. How many snowballs? 3, 4. And then, and boom. There we go. 5 blocks. So, I'm thinking, in the future, this is in the future though, I might make a snow farm. So then I can make more snow golems, which are pretty nice fellows, and I'm just showing that reason, but Rex in his pen now, and I will put some snow golems in. Eventually, I put snow golems in. Maybe in the middle, maybe next step, maybe off camera, I will put some snow golems in. Yeah. Okay, get rid of that, and I'm going to chuck this in. Hey, now I can move my bed from this, from my farm. Yay. Yeah, I can move it from the farm. And actually put it in a nice cozy home. Like that. Boom! Let's go. Woo! First night sleeping in our house! Let's go! And, oh! Okay, well, that gives me a running start. Okay. Okay, guys, leave a name for the panda in the comments. I just want to oh, yeah, that was cute. Rolling around, doo-doo-doo-doo. Put a name in the comments, because I just think he's cute. Come on, sit down. Can you take it 1 seat? No! That evil parrot. Here we go. Oh no, it's not. Oh no, this ain't good. Oh, I have 1 seat. Where's that parrot going? Oh, parrot, parrot, come here, come here, come here. No! Where's the melon? The melon seeds. Do I have them on me? No, I don't. Food. I'm gonna give me some melons. Seeds. Parrot, stay. Come down. What? What? How? Where'd that parrot go? Hey, parrot, come back. Come back. Oh, you. Oh, there we go. He's on my shoulder. Oh, never mind. He's not on my shoulder. No, you. Sit. Well, I get these stupid chickens in. Come on. Okay. Chickens. No, stay it. No. Come on, chicken. Push it in. Push. No. Shut. You know what? No. You know what? I don't really much care about chickens. I can just get another one. That cow is staying in. I will do anything to leave that cow in. There you go. As for you, bye. No, you're not. I'm murdering you guys. Murder. Ah, look, you Pandas. Oh, come here. Ooh. No. You're not unkillable. Oh, no, he's unkillable. As for you, little man, open up, get on my little shoulder, and yeah. No. There we go. You should have got off. Did you get off? What is wrong with this parrot? This parrot is a tough cookie. Yeah! Boom. I should have got him off. No, what? Okay. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Wait, there we go. You sit. Thank you. Wait, no. Okay, there we go. You know, I'm tempted to keep these rocks here. Because they look like... No, I did not want to get them on my shoulder again. No, get off. Off my shoulder. There we go. Sit. There we go. Little buddy. And as for the safety precautions, I'm moving these rocks. I gotta get out of here without getting him on me again. There we go. Okay. As for these seeds, bye-bye. I don't need them seeds. And I think, guys, we're pretty much out of time. So, thank you guys for watching. Like the video. And I mean, a big subscribe. And hopefully, as soon as this I will see you guys